So what's going on, guys? So here we are. We've got a 2013 F350. We're doing a water pump on it. So we got everything apart. As you can see, the old pump is out of the truck. Got the new pump ready to go in. Not really all that difficult to do, if you ask me. So far we've got a little over an hour and a half in this job. Total should be about 3 hours, so we're going to go ahead and get this button back up and get it back together. So there's our new water pump. So that's ready to go in the truck. So here's the old water pump. It was leaking around the bearing. So these things are freaking massive, if you ask me. So that's where we're at today. Doing a water pump on a 6.7. Take care.